guys, in this tutorial we will learn that how we can take mean of a matrix. Mean is actually you can say that it is just like the average. Both mean and average have the same meaning. It is used in practical life. The averaging is used for to nullify the surges or sudden high changes. In MATLAB, if we declare a vector that is d is equal to 1, 3, 7, then the second row is 3, 0, 1, then the third row is 12, 4 and 2. When we will press enter, it will be like that. It is 3 cross 3 matrix. There are 3 rows, there are 3 columns. Now we will take the mean of mean of d, and here we got our answer, that is 5.3, 2.3 and 3.3. Here we will just what we can say, we will add 1, 3 and 7, and that is 11, and when 11 is divided by 3, sorry, it's 1, 3, 4, 4 plus 12, 12 divided by 3, so it is like we can say that it's 16, sorry, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 12 is 16, so 16 by 3 is, so 5 by 3, and here it is 3 plus 0 plus 4, so it is 7, 7 by 3 is 2.3, and 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 divided by 3 is 3.33. So here you can get your values for mean. Hopefully you got this simple concept. Thanks for watching.